itsura ko. My God, so scary. Life is too short. Enjoy and just relax. Yun mga loves, malapit na ako sa aking bahay. Daming traffic light lang talaga, kaya yun lang medyo medyo delayed ka sa pag laging magkasabay yung lights. So ayan, laging daming stop, but that's fine. It's part of your straight drive around. Bye mga loves.